Good morning, students. Today we will study about joining arrays in Numpy. As you can see, in this class we will deal concat, vstack, hstack function. Now my first program is concatenation. Concatenation means joining of an array. First line, import numpy is np, then you have created array A, then array B, then C. In C, we have used concatenation function. Concatenate A comma B. That means first array A will come and then array B will come and it will become array C. You can see 5, 6, 8. Suppose I say comma A. Then it will give 5, 6, 8, 9, 5, 6. You can see here. So this is a simple concatenation function, or you can say concatenate. Now my next program is concatenate x is equal to 0. What happened in this? This is a 2D array. This is again a 2D array. You see, it is also joined. First array A has come and then array B has come. When I am writing x is equal to 0. If I write here x is equal to 1, you can see the difference. 5, 6, 7, 1, 1. This is array 1 and then array B. Now in this third program, I used vstack. And this you will see I have declared two array A and B, 1D array. I use function vstack, vertical. You see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. And vertical, it has come in vertical form. That is like this. Now if I write here vstack, hstack. You can see the difference. It has come in line, horizontally. This is horizontally and this is vertically. This is horizontally. This is vertically. Now, next. Again, I have used a concatenation function with x is 1 with 2D array. You can see the output. First 5, 6, 7, 1, 1, 8, 9, 6, 2. That means it is horizontal. If I use here 0, you can see the difference. It is vertical. This is vertical. Now again, in this again I have used hstack using 1D array. You can see it. in single line, that is horizontal. This is horizontal, this is horizontal, these are vertical. Here again I will do vstack. You can see the difference. What is it? Now transpose upper methods. This is one of the important topic. Here I have defined an array, 2D array. See. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have used transpose function. In transpose, what will happen? First row will become first column, second row will become second column. See here. 1, 2, 3. First row has become first column, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Second row has become second column, 4, 5, 6. Now shape is a function used to know how many elements are present in an array. First it will show for rows and then it will show for columns. Now here I have used array a1.shape. Array a1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For this now I will run it. You can see this is your array, this is your transpose, this is array a1. In a1 array you have 2 rows and 3 columns. If I write here T, dot shape, that means transpose this array. This has 3 rows and 2 columns. You can say this is your array A1, this is transpose array, this is shape. This array is having 3 rows and 2 columns.